Hi, can I get a coffee?
Sure. Small or large?
Small, please.
Sugar or milk?
No sugar, please.
Anything else?
That's all. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Emma and Jake English.
Today, we will learn simple English at the coffee shop.
This lesson is easy, useful, and great for beginners.
You can use these sentences in real life.
So, let's learn together. This place looks nice.
Yes. It looks warm and quiet.
I think I want a coffee today.
Me too.
Let's order something simple.
Good idea.
Okay, let's go over there.
Sure.
The counter is not too busy.
That's good.
At a coffee shop, a simple greeting is enough. You can say, "Hi."
Or, hello.
Short and polite is good. There are many drinks here.
Yes, but you only need one simple sentence.
You can say, "Can I get a coffee?"
This is a very useful sentence.
Can I get a coffee?
You can also change the drink. Can I get a tea?
Can I get a latte?
Same sentence, different drink.
Oh, the cakes look really good.
Yes, they do.
I want to order a cake too.
That sounds nice.
I don't want too much. Just something small.
Yes, a small cake is nice with coffee.
If you want to order food too, you can say, "Can I get this cake, please?"
That is simple and useful.
Can I get this cake, please? Coffee and cake sound good together.
Yes, that's a nice, small order.
And for the coffee, I want no sugar.
That is easy to say. No sugar, please.
No sugar, please.
You can also say, milk, please.
Or no milk.
Short answers are normal at a coffee shop.
Okay, that was easy.
Yes, the order was simple.
Simple English really helps.
Yes, you do not need long sentences here.
When you finish ordering, you can say, "That's all. Thank you."
That's all.
Now we just wait a little.
Yes.
After ordering, you can still use polite English. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
These are simple, polite lines.
They make your English sound friendly.
And they are easy to remember.
Let's me try to make an order. Hi. Can I get a small coffee, please?
That sounds good.
No sugar, please. And can I get this cake, please?
Nice.
That sounds very natural.
That's all. Thank you.
Very good.
It's my turn now. Hello. Can I get a large tea, please?
That sounds nice.
Milk, please?
Anything else?
That's all.
Good. Very simple and clear.
Yes. That makes it easier.
That was easier than I thought.
Yes. It was simple.
The sentences were short.
And that is a good thing.
So beginners do not need long English here, right?
Right. Short English works very well at a coffee shop.
That makes me feel better.
Yes. You can speak in a simple way and still sound natural.
That is very important for beginners.
Yes. Clear and simple is enough.
Do you come to coffee shops often?
Sometimes. Not every day, but I like places like this.
Me too.
It feels calm here.
Yes. It's quiet, and the atmosphere is nice.
I like that too.
And it smells really nice in here.
Yes. Fresh coffee always smells good.
That's true.
It makes the place feel warm.
Yes. Warm and comfortable.
Do you like sitting by the window?
Yes, I do. I like to look outside while I drink my coffee.
That sounds nice.
It helps me relax.
I understand. Quiet places are nice sometimes.
Yes. especially when the day is busy.
Then a coffee shop like this feels even better.
Exactly.
Do you usually drink coffee when you come here?
Most of the time, yes.
Do you always drink the same kind?
Not always, but I usually choose something simple.
That makes sense.
In the morning, I often drink hot coffee.
Oh, really?
Yes. It helps me wake up and start the day.
I understand that.
What about you? Do you usually drink tea?
Yes, quite often.
Why do you like tea more?
It feels lighter to me. And sometimes tea helps me slow down a little.
That's a nice way to say it.
Thank you.
So coffee helps me wake up, and tea helps you relax a little.
Yes, that's right.
I think that's why people like different drinks.
Yes, it depends on the person and the moment.
Now let's look at a few simple mistakes. What do you think, Jake?
Do not make your sentence too long. It's important.
Short orders sound natural, right?
Do not panic if you do not know many words. Short sentences are easy and simple. A few clear words are enough.
And do not speak too softly.
Yes, speak clearly and calmly.
That is enough for a good coffee shop conversation. Let's review. First, we learned how to order a drink.
Then we learned how to add something small to eat.
We also learned how to answer simple questions.
And we learned how to talk naturally after ordering.
So this lesson was not only about buying coffee. It was also about having a small, real conversation.
That is what makes your English sound more natural. Keep training and you will get better and better.
Great job today.
Yeah, we know more about English. Simple is the key. Short and clear English is often enough.
That is very important for beginners. You do not need perfect English to speak in daily life. Keep practicing again and again. A few simple words can help you a lot.
The more you use them, the easier they will feel. Step by step, English will become your favorite.
Even one small conversation like this is a good step forward. And if this lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We will share more simple English lessons with Emma and Jake.
So you can keep learning with us one step at a time.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
We'd love to see you in the next lesson. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.